Sometimes history has an address. Today that address is the corner of 9th and P Streets, the historic Shiloh Baptist Church.
This is a show of caring for humanity. We have 5,000 books and 150 backpacks, and we're servicing 8 public schools and some after schools and learning centers for the summer. We're bringing all our constituency groups, all our allies, all our locals to this community, and we want to do it for every community around the United States.
We're grateful for partners like AFT. At Shiloh, we look forward to working with people who are like-minded in order to accomplish the important work of serving our community.
Being in Shiloh Baptist Church is wonderful because it sits right in the community, and we're able to give back to our surrounding community as well as throughout D.C. at the different schools.
People are in a place in America that they need hope, they need love, they need the ministry of presence, and that ministry is here today.
Part of who we are as educators is how we ensure that our neighbors have what they need for their families to thrive. And that is why we're here with backpacks and with books and with food and with ways to help this community, the Shiloh community, who has been holding this in the breach for so long. And we, as a youth community, support the Shiloh community.